Hi guys! This video is for your science lesson and your science experiment or activity for the week. So what we are going to be doing this week, you are going to be, sorry about that, we're going to be practicing using healthy practices, washing our hands. Right now, that is very important that we're washing our hands. So we are going to be using something like this to create a graphic organizer to record your findings after using two different types of soap. You're going to record your research on your graphic organizer that we are going to create together. So you're going to need any kind of paper, whatever paper you have. Sorry guys. Right, so you are going to use whatever you have. So get something to write with, something to write on, and what you're going to do, we're just going to draw. Notice where my line is. We're going to divide it into 3 sections by drawing 2 lines. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing going down. So you should have 9 sections on your organizer. In this top section right here, you're going to write your name. And we're going to label it, what should we call it? We're going to label it Miss Crosby's soap research. Okay. In this box right here, we're going to write bar soap. Bar like car, B-R, soap. Vowel pair, O-A, P. Okay, then draw your picture of your bar soap there. And this bottom one, we're going to write liquid soap. L, I, qu, qu, Q, and this friend U, qu, id, liquid, and then we have the word soap again. Then you can draw your liquid soap. Maybe it's Dawn, Dove, whatever brand you have. Okay. In this box right here, you're going to be finding, you're going to be washing your hands. So let me tell you what we're going to do first before we fill these in. You're going to be washing your hands 2 times. The first time, you're going to get that bar soap. You're going to wash for 20 seconds. You're going to do the front, the backs, your palms, your fingers between your fingers, your nails, 20 seconds. Okay, I want you observing what it looks like. So watching your hands, notice what the soap does while you are washing your hands. Think about what happens when you wash your hands. What do you see? Okay, you're going to be noticing 2 things. The first thing I want you to notice is the bubbles. So we're going to be recording which one, the bar soap or the liquid soap, has, when you're washing, more bubbles. So we're going to write up here, more, sight word, bubbles. More bubbles, or suds, whatever you want to call them. Star bubbles. Okay. And then the next thing and then you're going to be noticing afterwards, once you rinse off the soap, dry your hands, how soft your hands are. Which one leaves your hands softer? Okay. So now what you're going to do, you're going to go wash your hands. So let's say you do it before dinner, because we got to wash our hands before we eat. go get some bar soap before you eat dinner. Wash your hands really, really good. While you're washing, I want you to notice what's happening. In this box here, you're going to draw a picture. What you're going to be drawing is how many bubbles or suds you see on your hands. That's what I want you to draw here. And then I just want you to notice and feel how soft your hands are, okay? And then you eat dinner. After dinner, come back, wash your hands again. This time, you're going to use liquid soap. Same thing, 20 seconds, wash, wash, wash. Wash them good. Notice what's happening. How many bubbles, how many suds. Draw that picture. And then afterwards, dry them off, rinse them off, dry them. Feel how soft your hands are. Now, this is where you're going to record. So, you have your picture here in the bubbles part. You're going to put a check in the box. If bar soap left more bubbles or suds, you're going to put a check. But if liquid soap had more bubbles or suds, you're going to put a check here and just leave that blank. So it can only be one or the other. Same thing with how soft. Which soap left your hands softer? If it was bar soap, you're going to draw a check here. Or if it was liquid soap, you're going to put a check here. One or the other. When you finish, take a quick picture of this paper. You're going to send it to me by submitting it on Seesaw. So upload it to your Seesaw portfolio. All right, have fun.